help celebrate their anniversary. So how are you feeling about 7 years, Ronnie?
Very good.
Thank you very much. How are you feeling, Mary?
Good.
Very exciting. Well, congratulations to you both. 7 years. I don't think I'd get away with that.
Well, we've got an anniversary there. We've also got a birthday to do as well.
What do you think of the bonfire?
Who's 46 and from Winterbourne.
Are you having a good night?
Have you having a fantastic evening here? That is one amazing bonfire, isn't it? We are going to be lighting those fireworks, setting those fireworks off in just a few moments' time.